Okay, so my power just went out. Look at the storm. Like my power went out. My power just went out, guys. For the second time I got my power went out. See the storm? You guys literally see it. Gosh. I don't know what just happened, guys, but just my power goes out right now. It will be back up. So, yep. Oh. Power's back. Turn on. Okay. That's my clock. It resets. It resets my timer, but it's okay. I'm changing the timer soon. Gosh, you guys hear the storm. Right. Okay. Let me get YouTube over there. All right. Oh, hold on. I need a network connection. Give me 1 sec, guys. I need to reconnect my Wi-Fi. Okay, so I'm back. And there we go. So I'm back, guys. So my power is back. The storm is now gone. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Have a good day, guys. All right. Peace out.